Hello folks, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be showing some Bitcoin commentary and how we had a big sell-off in this market, and also my portfolio commentary. Welcome back to another video, folks. I'm going to start off with Bitcoin. I'm going to have a monthly chart of Bitcoin up. For my last video that I made about Bitcoin, it was at 72,000. Now it's at 61,900. It has gotten a huge sell-off from the highs of 80,000, and it's going lower. And in my video last time, I mentioned that it was below the 10 monthly moving average, so it was going to continue going lower. It's still below the 10 monthly moving average. As you can see, every time it's above the 10 monthly moving average, it found support. Every time it's below the 10 monthly moving average, it's been finding resistance, and so it's going to continue to go lower. The only difference now is that I think you're going to find better areas for DCAing into Bitcoin. So I'm going to be looking to DCAing into Bitcoin below 60,000, like around 55 or 50,000 is where I'm going to start DCAing into Bitcoin. And that's my take on Bitcoin. Now I have a snapshot of the S&P 500, the SPY, and I'm showing that it has a huge red candle on Friday. We got a big sell-off, but I like to just do one thing here. I like to zoom out. This V-shaped recovery that we've had, I think it's still intact, and I think every time we've had a huge red candle, as I zoom in into here, as you can see, those two red big candles. Every time we've had a red candle that big, it's always been the market low. And so I think this is going to be the market low again from this huge red candle. And I think this V-shaped recovery is going to continue going. And one quick thing I'd like to show is that if you scroll over, this V-shaped recovery here, it continued going even though there were some sell-offs in between. So this is just a minor sell-off that's happening in the S&P 500 and a big V-shaped recovery that's happening. I still think that the S&P 500 is going to be going to 800, 800 on the SPY, and that's where I stand with the market and SPY. I'd like to do a quick portfolio update. I purchased 100 shares of ASTX and 170 shares of RGTX, and those were my recent purchases. My account value is at 103,000. And my cash value is at 79,000. All right, folks, I do thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. I do thank you for watching my commentary on the market and also my portfolio. And if you can go back and watch my other videos, you can see how I called the next drop in Bitcoin, and also that the market is still in a V-shaped recovery.